Good morning, guys. Today is Thursday and I am here in my little nail desk because I'm about to do my nails. I can't wait. I saw a very pretty design on Pinterest and I really want to try it. So I want to see if I can make them. But let me show you guys outside. As you guys can see, Colorado surprised us with some snow today. So right now I'm just here and I'm going to try to do my nails. I will show you guys the end result once I'm done. But other than that, I have nothing to do today. So I also created a channel in Spanish. If for those of you guys that have been asking me for Spanish vlogs and Spanish content, I created a Spanish YouTube channel. It will be the same name as what I have right now, Yazmin Mota, because it doesn't let me change it on Google because my two accounts are linked. I don't know, it's just a mess. But yeah, I will dedicate that one to my nails. So if you guys would like to see like what designs I'm doing and stuff like that, and then I will incorporate maybe here and there a Spanish vlog too, but it's mostly going to be about nails. If you guys would like to follow me, I'll put the link in the description bar. I have no content at this moment, so yeah, the only channels that are subscribed to me are my husband and my daughter and myself. So I only have 3 subscribers. But yeah, that is it for right now. I will keep you guys updated on my nails, so I'll see you guys a little bit later. Good morning, guys. Today is Monday and today I'm going to clean my little nail station because I did more nails. I have posts on Instagram if you guys would like to see them. I'll put the links right here. I have one for my nails and a personal one. So yeah, have 2 Instagrams. Right now I'm just going to clean my little area and then I am going to film it in Spanish because I also created a Spanish YouTube channel, and that is going to be dedicated mostly to all of my nails stuff and also random Spanish vlogs, because a lot of people have been asking me for Spanish vlogs, so I'm going to do that in a separate channel. That way I don't lose my English speaking subscribers. So that is the plan. If you guys would like to follow me, I have no subscribers right now, so if you guys would like to follow my YouTube, it has no videos yet, but I will be creating my first video, a Q&A, so people can get to know me. And then after that, I will be doing like my little nail salon in Spanish, my little nail studio tour in Spanish. So that is the plan. Right now I'm headed to the bank because I have to go do a payment. So I will see you guys a little bit later. Hi guys. Well, I always do that.
Yeah.
Hi guys, so I just went to the bank and I realized when I got there that it is Columbus Day and it was closed. So I just came back. I was really hungry, so I made me some breakfast, and we are lacking in the food department right now. We need to go to Walmart to get more food. So this is what I came up with. It is just an avocado toast. It has avocado, and then it has ham and turkey, and then some homemade salsa that I made, and then some Ruffles and my tea. So that is my breakfast. I'm going to eat my breakfast, and then I will be doing a spit cleaning on my nail place over there. It's not dirty, it's just little things are misplaced here and there because I was gluing a nail and doing my daughter's nails yesterday, removing the polish. So yeah, that's what I'm up for today. Later on today we're gonna go to Walmart when my hubby is here. So yeah, I will see you guys a little bit later. And this is how the gorditas look at the end. Now we're gonna eat them, and then I'll see you guys a little bit later.
How do you spell guard?
Guard?
Yeah.
G-U-A.
Okay, I had that mixed up. ¿Sí? ¿Sí? ¿Pero MERCARI?
Sí, ábrele ahí. ¿El de arriba o el de abajo?
No sé.
Ok, ponlo. Thanks.
I think time was like